know what the cameraman is, man. Got the killer cameraman. Woo! Looking like a herb by ice cream. Looking like an outcast, little strong bush rat. You gotta stop lifting weights. Stop taking steroids, man. You just punch a hole in my stomach. Well, bro, it was good to Brittany. I heard y'all gonna get married and everything. Tell the camera was good.
You know the date, July 5th. Oh, shit, tomorrow, actually. They're on the ballot. I'll say what they do. Oh, it's good, nice. It's all right, though. You know, it's good to the practice. They get chocolate and all that. I think it'll be very nice. After that, I plan to take it to the first ride. After that, we'll go from until 6.
So you on the strict money diet, right?
Money diet? I got money up the ass. For a minute.